The 24 reactors, capable of generating 23,250 megawatts, are concentrated in 4 locations. 5 to 7 reactors with some 5 million people living within 30 km of the plants, according to 2019 data compiled by opposition lawmaker. Nuclear experts say South Korea's clustered reactors don't pose safety concerns, but some residents are unconvinced. While many South Koreans support expanding nuclear power, a significant minority are urging a reduction. A June 28 to 30 survey of 1,000 South Koreans by Gallup Korea showed 39% supported expansion of nuclear energy, 30% wanted current levels to be maintained, while 18% called for scaling it back. South Korea ranks 5th in the world for nuclear generation, according to the World Economic Forum data for 2020, behind the US, China, France and Russia.